Today I'll teach you how you guys can stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, the first thing you need to do is turn off your contact access to Snapchat. And there's two ways to do it. The first is you open Snapchat and click on your Bitmoji icon at the top left of your screen. And once you're in your Snapchat profile at the top right, you can see the little setting icon, you click on that. And once you're inside setting, you can scroll a bit down until you see the option called contacts. It's going to be on the additional service section. Clicking contacts, and over here what you can do is click on remove synced contacts from Snapchat, clicking confirm. Once that is done, your contact at the top will automatically be turned off. If it is not off, you can just turn it off yourself as well. Click and confirm and it's going to be done. Just make sure that is off. Once that is off, close your Snapchat and then open your phone's setting. From inside your phone settings, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. Click on Snapchat, and over here at the top the contact option, if it is on, then make sure it's off. After you do that, Snapchat will no longer have access to your contact, which means Snapchat will not be able to find your contacts on Snapchat, and Snapchat cannot also recommend your account to other people under your contacts. That's how we guys can do this. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.